I know. I've said I wouldn't become a flashlight or a knife guy, but I came across a light I couldn't pass up at Tractor Supply on clearance for $7.99. Here we have the Surge 1600 lumens utility rechargeable LED flashlight. Some key features include a runtime of 3 hours, beam distance of 984 feet, water resistance rating of IP44, high, medium, low, strobe and SOS modes, charging and battery level indicator light. Aluminum construction, protected USB charging port for C charging, O-ring sealed for water resistance, and a 26650 lithium battery. Charging cable is included. Product length, 2.25 inches. Product weight, 0.8 pounds. Product width, 2.25 inches. So it's a nice compact unit. You use the one button to cycle through the various modes. After one solid button push, half pushes are used to select the mode you want. No too terribly complicated. I like the fact that this light is not plastic and it has not heated up. I probably wouldn't pay much more for this light, but I'm glad I stumbled across it. I think I'll toss this in my car as a backup light to what I daily carry. Since retirement, part of my weekly routine is visiting one of favorite local stores on Fridays. I usually rotate between Sportsman's Warehouse, Turner's Sports, Ace Hardware, Tractor Supply, or Harbor Freight. For a special trip, I'll hit REI. Know what you're thinking? It's a tough life. Thanks for stopping by. I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave a comment.